My Nespresso Mini has held up really nicely. I've had it for about 3 years now. As you can see, these compartments, that's where the disposed pods go, and they go in and out pretty easily. As you can see, it will open on the top and you can put the new pods in there. It's a very simple machine, only has a couple buttons, gives you exactly what you need. An espresso every morning. Honestly, my favorite coffee. As you can see, it makes this beautiful, delicious looking coffee. I always add milk, and this is literally my favorite thing about my morning.